Welcome to Real Talk for Men, Relaxation. If something happened today that knocked you a little off kilter and made you feel less than confident, this is for you. Your inner confidence is always there when you take the time to reset and relax and remember. Nothing that's happened today can affect you long term, because what's true is that your confidence is always there. Find a comfortable place, settle in and recline. Close your eyes if you'd like to. Take a couple deep breaths. Feel your body in the space you are. Notice the temperature of the room. Notice the contact of your body with the surface you're on. This helps you become present with where you are right now. Take a deep breath. Exhale and make some sound. If there's anything that makes you feel frustrated, unsettled, or angry, make some noise. Let that out. It's okay. Take another deep breath. Exhale again and just let it go. Right now, this moment's for you. There's no pressure, no expectations, just a space for you to reconnect with the strength, certainty, and confidence that's always there. Life demands so much of you. You carry responsibilities, make decisions, face challenges head on. But true confidence isn't always about having all the answers. It's about trusting yourself, knowing that no matter what comes, you'll have everything you need inside of you, and anything you don't have, you'll be able to figure out. Confidence comes from competence. Let this be your time to quiet any doubts you have. Silence any outside noise, and restore the deep, unwavering confidence and competence that is already yours. Let's let go of any doubt you might have. Breathe in really deep. Fill your lungs more than you think you can. Let that get a little bit uncomfortable. Expand more than you think you can. Kind of hold it. Exhale slowly when you can't hold it anymore. Release tension. Release hesitation. Do that again. Breathe in really deep. Once your lungs are completely full, maybe a little uncomfortable, hold it for that moment again. You can do this. Challenge yourself a little bit. When it gets a little uncomfortable again, exhale very slowly. Let it out. With every inhale, confidence flows into you. Feel that. With every exhale, doubt fades away. You don't need to overthink this. You don't need to second guess. Just be exactly where you are. When you feel complete in that, just relax into a normal breathing pace. Feel your body relaxing. Soften your forehead, your jaw, your shoulders. Notice anywhere that there's tension or resistance in your body. You don't have to hold on to anything right now. Just let yourself be. Relax into the surface you're on. Your presence is powerful. With every breath you take, you're restoring the confidence that's already yours. Even in a relaxed state, you breathe in confidence. You exhale any doubt. You breathe in clarity and exhale confusion. Now picture yourself standing in front of a mirror. You look in this mirror and see yourself at your most powerful. You see the man who walks with certainty, the man who trusts himself fully, the man who knows his worth. Look into his eyes, steady, sharp, unshaken. This is you. This is not some future version of you. This is who you've always been, underneath any doubt, noise, or unnecessary garbage. Right now, you are reclaiming him. Look into your eyes in the mirror. Affirm these words with yourself in this mirror. You can repeat them after I say them, out loud or in your mind. I trust myself completely. I am confident in my decisions and abilities. I do not need external validation. I know my worth. I walk through life with quiet, unshakable confidence. Everything I need is already within me. How does it feel to look yourself in the eyes and say these things to yourself, knowing this is your truth? Let it take root inside of you. Relax into a rhythmic breathing of rest and recharging, knowing your confidence is completely restored. Anything that's happened today has been left behind, and you can move forward powerfully. Take another breath and step fully into that confidence. As you exhale, release anything that could be left, anything that no longer serves you. Remember, you're walking away from self-doubt, hesitation, or anything that made you forget about your power. When you rise from this moment, you will be a different man. You will speak with certainty, move with purpose, and trust yourself fully. Confidence isn't something you need to find. It's always inside of you. Now you own it again. Stay here a moment longer. Let this feeling deepen. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Reconnect with the space that you're in. Step forward back into your life, the confident and clear man that you are, and own every space you walk into.